Schertz in San Antonio.
Guys, today I have a beautiful model home by CastleRock Communities that I want to show you. This home can be built the same way you see it here. It can be built, but it also could be done in different ways. As you see when you take the tour in this home, the model homes are set a little different. Now, there are some items that might be standard and there are some items that might be an upgrade. But when you come out here to view CastleRock Community builders, they'll give you a brochure and then you can actually see what is included in the home and what's not. This is Seminole. This is the front of it, and this is one of the elevations. Now, this will be a garage right here. And of course, this is a model home, so the offices are in the garage. They're set like that. But when this house actually sells, which is going to sell one day, this house is going to actually be up for sale. They're going to put the garage back.